Significant weather advisory for southern Wise County at 2:28 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologist. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Benton County, north central Texas, southeastern Wise County, north central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 3 miles east of Cottondale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Boyd, Aurora, Decatur, Houston, North Lake, Corral City, Rhode Island. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Stay away from windows and doors, and avoid using corded telephones, unless it is an